So David, how would you describe financial leadership to someone who maybe hasn't heard the term before?
Well, leadership, I really believe, is about two things. It's about communication and it's about development. So when we put leadership and we add the financial piece, it's really about helping people see that, number one, it's really not accounting that we're talking about. We're talking about how would I lead my department in my hotel around my numbers. The communication piece is really the foundation, because in our business we're always communicating about what's going on, whether it be what's going on with the guest in-house or what's going on with our colleagues, and communicating about the numbers and the financial health of our hotel is just as important.
Is financial leadership hard?
No, and you're right, a lot of people are fearful of it and they think it's hard because they think it's accounting, but it's not. And they also have this idea that it needs to be perfect because they think it's math. So I use the analogy of grade 10 math. There is an answer for your algebra question, a right and wrong answer. But with the numbers in the hotel, there is no answer that's right or wrong, because the only thing we know about the budget or the forecast is whatever you're putting together is going to be wrong anyways, because the result is always different.
What are the benefits to implementing financial leadership at one of your properties?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, if you don't have any plan, any road will take you where you want to go. In a hotel, we have multiple departments, and every single department manager needs to have a plan as to how they're going to execute their financial piece so that we can achieve a combined success in the hotel, so we can achieve our financial goals.
So who can be a financial leader?
Anyone can be a financial leader, because it's not about accounting, it's about business thinking.